What if I told you people are making over $1,500 a day, all thanks to artificial intelligence?
Are you serious? Deadly serious!
Yep, AI isn't just for sci-fi movies or billionaire tech bros anymore. It's out here making everyday folks serious cash, and you don't need a tech degree, a huge budget, or a secret handshake with Elon Musk to get in on it. Let's get started because I'm about to spill the beans on how you can start making money with AI today. 1. Introduction to AI and the side hustle boom.
You should build robots. Giant robots.
AI is everywhere now, but what if you could use it to make money? People are already cashing in on AI, some making $1,500 plus a day. But it's not just for tech geniuses, it's for you too. The key to this hustle? Finding the right AI tools that do all the hard work for you. AI is being used for everything from writing to designing to coding. But here's the kicker. This side hustle is all about using AI to create content at lightning speed. So what's the side hustle? Well, let me break it down, and you'll be amazed at how easy it really is. 2. The AI content generation tool.
Who wrote this crap?
Picture this. You create blogs, social media posts, and marketing copy faster than ever using AI, and you get paid for it. No more staring at a blank screen or spending hours writing content. AI does the main job. This isn't about just any AI tool. There's one tool in particular that's blowing up right now. It's called ChatGPT. It can write entire blog posts, articles, and even books for you. To get started, you can sign up for a platform like Jasper or ChatGPT and create an account. It's quick and easy. Start offering AI-generated content writing services on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to businesses in need of content. You could charge $100 to $500 for one long-form article or blog post. If you write 2 to 3 a day, bam, you've hit over $1,500. But what if writing isn't your thing? Don't worry, I've got another AI-powered hustle coming up next that's even more hands-off. 3rd, AI-powered social media management. Ever wanted to run social media accounts for businesses and get paid, but didn't want to spend all day posting and creating content? AI can handle that for you. Social media managers are in high demand, and AI tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, or even ChatGPT can generate social media captions, posts, and even hashtags in seconds. Requirement is sign up on platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer and start managing multiple businesses or brands accounts. Use AI to generate 2 to 3 posts a day per business. This can save hours of time, and you can charge $500 plus per client each month. With 3 to 5 clients, you're easily making $1,500 plus a month or more, working just a few hours a week. If social media isn't your thing, don't go anywhere. Next up, we're talking about AI-generated artwork that sells. 4. AI-generated artwork, turning creativity into cash.
It's beautiful. Someone in my art class is an art genius.
What if I told you that you could generate unique, eye-catching artwork and sell it for big bucks? No, I'm not talking about learning how to paint. I'm talking about using AI to create stunning designs that people love. AI art tools like Midjourney or DALL-E 2 can generate digital art from simple prompts. All you have to do is type in your idea and boom, the artwork is ready to go. To get started, sign up for DALL-E 2 or Midjourney and start experimenting with prompts. Sell your creations on Etsy, Redbubble, or even Instagram. Some artists are making hundreds of dollars per piece, depending on the complexity and demand. You can also offer custom artwork commissions to clients and charge $100 or more per design. Sell just a few designs a day and you'll hit $1,500 quickly. But if you're not into selling art, the next AI hustle requires zero creative skills, just your time and the right platform. 5th, AI-powered virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants are in high demand, and guess what? You can use AI to supercharge your VA services and get paid top dollar. From scheduling to email management, AI tools can save you hours of work. Tools like ChatGPT can draft emails, answer customer inquiries, and even schedule meetings. It's like having your own assistant, but AI does all the work. How to get started? Sign up for platforms like Upwork or Zirtual and start offering AI-enhanced VA services. Charge $25 to $50 per hour for VA work and use AI tools to handle multiple clients in one day. If you land 3 to 4 clients per day, you're well on your way to hitting that 1,500 plus mark. Still think you're too busy for this? Well, what if you could automate the process even more? Stick around, the next AI hustle is all about creating passive income. Sixth, AI-powered dropshipping. What if you could run your own online store, sell products, and never actually handle inventory?
Wow, I gotta try this.
Enter AI-powered dropshipping. AI tools like Shopify and Oberlo allow you to automatically set up a store, find products, and even run ads, all with minimal effort. You can sign up for Shopify and Oberlo, create a store, and pick trending products to sell. You can also use AI to run ads on Facebook and Instagram to drive traffic to your store. With the right products and effective ads, you can easily make $100 or more in profit per day. Think that's good? Well, there's one last AI hustle that's entirely passive. Keep watching. 7. AI affiliate marketing, earning while you sleep.
Casey, come look at this.
What if you could promote products you already love and make money, all without doing any of strenuous tasks? That's the beauty of AI-powered affiliate marketing. This AI tool can help you write product reviews, blog posts, and even emails that sell for you. You can promote products with affiliate links, and you get a commission every time someone buys. How to get started? Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write product reviews or create blog posts about the products you promote. Share your affiliate links on your blog, YouTube, or social media. If you get a few sales, you're making $100 plus a day. And that's a wrap. AI isn't just a cool tech trend, it's a cash machine if you know how to use it. But let's recap everything to make sure you're ready to get started. So whether you're writing, managing social media, creating art, or running your own AI-powered dropshipping store, there are plenty of ways to make $1,500 plus a day with AI. All you need is a little time, the right tools, and some hustle. So which AI side hustle are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. AI is here to help you do just that. Don't forget to like, hit subscribe, and let's make some money.